Based on the information released intermittently over the past 2 months, we can confirm that DJI is set to release the highly anticipated DJI AIR 3S this fall, likely in September. Why is this drone so highly anticipated? Because its predecessor model was quite disappointing. The DJI AIR 3, positioned as a new flagship, surprisingly regressed in terms of imaging capabilities. While the AIR 2S featured a 1-inch sensor, the AIR 3 merely combined two 1/1.3-inch sensors from the Mini 3 Pro. This is insufficient for my needs, as I love shooting log footage for color grading in post-production, and the 1/1.3-inch sensor offers very limited post-processing flexibility. Therefore, neither the AIR 3 nor the subsequent Mini 4 Pro were on my radar. Finally, the DJI AIR 3S is here. From the latest leaked photo of the front of the device, we can see that the AIR 3S still uses a dual lens design, but its gimbal structure has undergone some changes compared to the AIR 3. The DJI AIR 3 had a T-shaped structure, while the AIR 3S features a hexagonal structure with two symmetrical T-shaped parts. I believe this design might allow the gimbal to rotate 90 degrees, enabling lossless vertical shooting. The body of the DJI AIR 3S remains consistent with the AIR 3, and current information indicates that its battery is compatible with the AIR 3. The most controversial aspect of the leaked information is the sensor specifications of the AIR 3S. The earliest report suggested it would use a combination of a 1-inch main camera and a 1/1.3-inch telephoto lens. Later, foreign sources claimed both lenses would be 1-inch sensors. Then, a domestic retailer even suggested the possibility of a micro 4/3 lens. As a consumer, I naturally hope the specs are as high as possible. However, given the AIR 3 series positioning as a light flagship, if it really were to feature a micro 4/3 main camera as rumored domestically, the Mavic series would be seriously threatened, and the Mavic 3 Classic could become obsolete. This is obviously unlikely. Therefore, I personally lean towards the view that both lenses will feature 1-inch sensors. From the leaked front photo of the AIR 3S, we can see that its sensor components appear to be slightly larger than those on the DJI AIR 3. Moreover, the lower lens looks exactly the same as the one on the Pocket 3 I'm currently using for filming. So, my opinion is that the AIR 3S will be equipped with two 1-inch sensors of the same specifications as the Pocket 3. Additionally, above the gimbal camera, we can see a new component. According to the leaks, this is a new radar sensor, which clearly represents an upgrade in flight safety. This kind of infrared radar ranging is definitely more precise and safer than purely visual ranging, meaning obstacle avoidance has been improved.